Hello, Hoffmann Hawks. Here is Mrs. Contreras. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying your summer. I'm so excited because today we have an activity that I am sure you're gonna love. And I have somebody with me today. Who's here?
Me, Diego.
Diego. And how old are you?
7.
You're 7 years old. Diego is also at another Northside school. And what grade are you in?
First grade.
First grade. And you're gonna be next year in?
Second grade.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, today we're gonna cook. Are you ready? This is something really simple. You're gonna be able to enjoy a delicious cake in about 5 minutes or so. It only requires for you to use the microwave, so it's pretty safe, but remember, do this with an adult always. I love cooking because we can do a lot of things when we're cooking, and we're gonna tell everybody what we need to use today. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so I'm gonna read the ingredients that we need for this recipe, and the first thing we need is 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Can you show me where that is? Very good. We have 1/4 of all-purpose flour here. We also need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Where is the sugar? Yes, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna also use, what is this? You remember? Smell it. Cocoa powder. Okay, we need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We're gonna also use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember that? Baking soda. We already measured everything and put it here so you can see it. What is this?
Pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt. And we are also gonna use 3 tablespoons of
Milk.
and 2 tablespoons of, what is that? Do you know?
Oil.
Oil, vegetable oil. Very good. We also need 1 tablespoon of water. We have water here, H2O. And we have also 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. If you want, you can also add chocolate chips, whatever you decide. He definitely wants them. And also the Cool Whipped Cream is optional if you want to do it. So this is super easy. What do we need to do with all of this? Do you know?
Mix it up.
We have to mix it up.
In the
Microwave?
microwave.
You're gonna put it in the microwave and then we're gonna eat it. Okay, are you ready? You wanna put it in the cup? So everything is gonna be put together in the mug and we're gonna cook it in the mug, okay? So, very good. We put the flour. What do we need to put now?
Sugar.
The sugar. Very good. Nice. Now all the solid ingredients first. The cocoa powder. And what comes now? Remember this one? Baking soda. This is gonna create a chemical reaction that's gonna make all of these ingredients be delicious.
We can also use it for another chemical.
You love science? We can also use baking soda for what?
For I think a volcano.
Oh, for a volcano. That would be another fun thing to do at home. Okay, we have the pinch of salt. And I think we have so far all the solid except for the chocolate chips that are the very last thing. Okay, you want to mix it? You can start mixing that. And now we're going to add the liquids. Those were solids. These are liquids. They take the shape of the
Container, whatever it is.
the container that it is in. Good job. Okay, you want me to put the milk?
Yep.
Okay, keep mixing. Nice. Milk is in. Oil. He's mixing. Very good.
It's chocolatey. And smells chocolatey.
Can you smell it? Now we have the water.
I got what?
Are you
Looks
okay?
like mud.
It looks like mud. We're gonna show everybody how it looks. and we're gonna put the vanilla. Ooh, I love vanilla. Okay, keep moving. You wanna show it to them? Put it like this. Hold on. Let me see. It looks like mud. This is perfect time to teach our kids at home. I'm gonna help you move it so we get everything from the bottom. The difference between liquid, solid. We can talk about math. We can talk about what is more, a cup or half a cup, or how we can see the difference when we have them in front of us too. So are we ready? What are we gonna do now? Ooh, we're missing one thing. What are we missing?
The chocolate chips.
Okay, let's put it in. Are you gonna put all of them? Ooh. Let's mix one more time. And we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. And
see you later.
what are we gonna have when we're done?
The cake in the mug.
The cake in the mug. Are you ready? See you in a little bit. Mientras esperamos que wrong language. I just realized I started speaking Spanish. Okay, going back to English. I just finished with my cake in a mug because Diego is gonna have this one, but I also want another one. So meanwhile you wait for your cake in a mug to be ready, is the perfect time to talk to your child about measurements. So I have half a cup here, Diego, and I have a fourth of a cup. Which one is bigger?
This one.
What is that one? How is it called?
Half cup.
Say it loud.
Half cup.
The half a cup is more. You can talk about more, you can talk about greater, you can talk about increasing, decreasing, you can talk about measurements. Let's compare this two. Okay, what do we have here? This is a tablespoon and this one is a teaspoon. Which one is bigger?
Tablespoon.
Which one is smaller?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. And that will be a great opportunity while your cake in a mug gets ready to talk about math without even realizing it. Okay, let's see how it's mine. Woo, are you ready?
Yeah.
This is very important that an adult is always present because this is gonna be hot. Okay?
Hot.
Woo. Mine is ready.
It looks more melted.
It looks more melted.
than
Okay,
mine.
listen. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's ready. Look at that. My knife is pretty clean, so
Ready?
it is ready. That's a way that we can.
That's
Look at that. Any chocolate in there?
A little tiny.
Just a tiny bit. So that means it is ready.
Ready.
Now we're gonna put some.
Creamy.
And you can put some strawberries too.
Strawberry.
And
Yum,
guess
yum.
what? You just bake a cake. This is called
In the
cake
mug.
in a mug. And I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because mine's still very hot. But guess what? You are gonna be able to taste it. Let's see if he likes it. You liked it?
Yes.
Guess what? Now we're gonna enjoy our cake in a mug. I hope you enjoy yours at home. We love you, Hoffmann Hugs. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great summer. Stay safe. See you later.